What's up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be cleaning up the front yard that was neglected for years. So there was a couple of dead trees here, you can see them here. I'd already chopped them down. I de-limbed them and I chopped up all the firewood and I'd stacked it at the back of the shed. So right now I'm just getting all the dead branches and all the limbs and stuff that I cut off the trees, trucking them back up into the backwoods and offloading them there. There's a dead tree here right in my way, so I just manhandle it out of the way, offload the trailer and keep her lit. I go back and forth here about 8 times with different loads of the trailer and take care of all that debris, put it in the backwoods and lovely jubbly. As you can see, I progressively got a little bolder and bolder with the sizes of the load on the trailer. But you know what? I don't think I really lost that much as I came through there. Maybe the odd stick. But I tell you, it really helped me speed up the process. I'd have been there all night otherwise. So we start running out of daylight here, but instead of just chucking in the towel, I go up, throw on the lights and keep going. I'm glad I did. Check out the before and after results on this. I'll tell you one thing, couldn't have done it without my buddy Mike, my neighbour from down the street. He came up with this huge leaf blower and we really took care of business. So check this out guys, look at the before and afters here. All that debris, gone. Just in time too. Spring here now, so I can get stuck in now, start doing a bit of planting, bit of landscaping, and make this front yard beautiful. Thanks so much for making it to the end of this video guys. Stay tuned, I'll be doing lots more little projects. Still have a mountain of leaves here to clean up as you can see, but sure, that won't be a big deal. We'll keep her lit.